Linjani ngemakhaya khonale kwelakithi lakho also internationally lakho eGoli nje singathi indawo yonke jikelele. Namhlanje ngiletha nje umbiko ngendaba yethu kade sikhuluma iplanned prayer. Sithe sizabuya kini with ama details akhona for iprayer mhla 25 of this month khonapha eJubeck. Sesitholile address ingena laphana ku Brethren in Christ Church eHillbrow khonaphayana. I-address yakhona ngu-47 Captain and Blanket Street, Johannesburg. So i-address yakhona ngu-47 Captain and Blanket Street, Johannesburg, i-Brethren in Christ Church. Siyacela abantu benkosi ukuthi lifike quite early ngo-9 o'clock ekuseni ngoba kade sikhangela ukuthi mhlawumbe inkonzo iqale sengo-9:30 ukuthi really by 9:30 abantu sibehleli phansi. Siyanxusa wonke umuntu ongafika khona phana physically. Kodwa lakho sasithe ukuthi mhlawumbe abanye bakhatshana kodwa bakade befisa ukuthi babe phakathi kwenkonzo leyo. Yikho ke we have a live streaming on the YouTube, and the live streaming is found at Matebele Nation, one word. It's at Matebele Nation. If you click on that, it will go into the YouTube channel which we've set up, and when you are in there, click the live the thing that jumps up at you, which will direct you straight to that for the scheduled meeting. And then when you click on the live, it will notify me when you've clicked on the notify me for the particular date for the prayer event. Here we are preparing you for the actual day itself so that you can do it now in preparation for the day, so that it will be easy for you to click into it and you'll be part of it. So these instructions are about preparing for the day, i.e. once again, you'll be clicking on the Matebele Nation, all one word, at Matebele Nation. That will open the YouTube channel. Whilst you are in the YouTube channel, you'll click the live events on that particular icon. And then from that icon, you'll be clicking the notify me icon there for the scheduled prayer meeting. That then will come in and you'll be able to get in on the particular date so that you don't struggle on the very morning that you're trying to get in. So preparation, banbenkosi singene sonke into le, it's so important. What we're trying to do is so important. I reiterate, we are on a spiritual journey. This is not just people doing things, but this is more than that. It is more than that because we are a chosen people. You can look at that on many fronts of why it is we've survived for so long, and hence it's so important we start on this spiritual note so that we know exactly what we're doing. And then the last item, just to bring in and to encourage everybody, that wherever you are in the world, if you are engaged in the prayer sessions at any time during that day, please take pictures, take videos, and then post them up onto social media under the hashtag. It's hashtag Matabele prayer. That's what the hashtag is. It's hashtag Matabele prayer. One word, Matabele prayer. So once again, I reiterate, hashtag Matabele prayer. It will be uploaded onto that so that we can capture the beginning of this journey that we are now engaged in. If we look back into our culture and our tradition and isintu sakiti, one could say this is imbizo, the gathering of the nation. Imbizo. We are trying to do that so that we come in as one and we begin our journey. We know our journey is a successful journey. We know that already. But it is about everyone taking part and being part of this process. So today is just a short video just to give you those bullet point notes regarding the location, physical location, regarding the streamlining of it, regarding how to prepare for the streamlining, and also regarding how you too can capture your own footage in your homes in your places of worship across the globe and upload them onto the hashtag Matebele prayer. Then we'll upload everything and we begin to work as a people. And then lastly, in my message to you today, we are inviting all leaders from our nation, from our country, to take part in this momentous prayer day, because it's going to have repercussions well into the future. I'm well aware that historians may very well write down to say, yes, the journey began here. So I reiterate and say, we invite all our leaders to take part in this, whether they are from the political arena, whether they are from the social and the civic organizations, whatever fraternity it is, whether ngamakhosi, izinduna zakithi, we are inviting all our leaders to be part of this. This is a holistic approach. It is capturing everyone. We are trying to run away from the idea of all the silo mentalities we've seen, whereby people are pigeonholed into a particular area, which means then they cannot be serving the nation in its broader sense. That is why we're extending our invitation to all those who are leading our nation in every other part that we look at. And so, in closing my broadcast today, it's just to reiterate that this is a journey. We have begun this journey. Historically, in our isintu sakithi, inkosi yayibiza imbizo, the gathering. If you go to Scotland and you talk about the gathering, they know what that means. That is the coming together of people in a nation. And same with us as well. Inkosi used to call imbizo. Inkosi ibize imbizo. Abantu bathi gwaqa. Behlangane ngento ebanxusayo that brings them together as a people. So we hope you can attend, those who can attend physically, and we also hope that those who cannot attend physically also take part via Streamline. And if those can't be there via Streamline, but you are able to capture pictures or video footage of you and your family, or you and your friends, and you and your community all over the world in prayer, please upload it to hashtag Matebele prayer so that we can have a nice collective record of this event. Thank you very much indeed.